Good morning. We are all packed up, ready to go. I think Twinkie's inside her little tent and Cooper's sitting over here. I was recently asked, I believe it was by my brother, one of my brothers, how long it takes for me to pack up, and I'd say it probably takes about an hour to pack the tent and everything back where they belong. I'm kind of methodical and everything's got a place. So it takes about an hour to pack everything back up. So I wanted to show everybody also one last look at this campsite. This is Gualala, I think is how you say it, regional campsite. It's a county campsite. Very nice. But these trees are just incredible. And there's the water down there. Wish we could stay longer, but I want to keep moving. Get up into Oregon. I've been told up there the campsites are even nicer, so we'll see. But this is just an amazing place. When you first enter, there's just huge trees, and then when you get back here in this area where the hike and bike area is, it's these, I don't know what these trees are called. But it's just kind of a jungly, almost dense feeling to it. And it's a really nice place. And now we're gonna head into town, pick up some more provisions, maybe use some Wi-Fi, connect with everybody, and then just keep heading north. Let's go get water. Okay, let's get going. Morning.
How many speeds you got in that bike?
24.
So it makes it easier going up the hills?
Yeah.
You still have to work.
Still pulling a lot of weight.
Yeah. Cross-country track or something?
Yep. We started in Phoenix, went to San Diego, going up the coast to Washington. And then once we get to Washington, we'll go east to the East Coast, down to Florida, and back to Arizona.
What's your time frame?
About a year.
About a year. Should be fun. Enjoy.
Thank you. Let's go up here and use the restroom. That was a little steep hill.
like, we're done? Well, we're not quite done, but got a couple things I gotta do before we can go back out.
One last look at this very nice campsite. I'd recommend it for anybody. Very tranquil, peaceful. And well maintained. Quite a few campers for the middle of the week. I'm trying to adjust my brakes a little bit. I will say the sunshine feels good after being under that canopy of trees. It's nice to get out and feel a little warmth. So I'm going to stop and turn on the spot tracker, and then we will head into town and then keep heading north. It's a nice little climb. Well, back just before going into Anchor Bay, a journalist or reporter from a local newspaper from Gualala, I think that's how you say it, Gualala, which is the town before Anchor Bay. He pulled me over and asked if he could interview me for their paper. Took some pictures. Really nice. He's going to send a copy to my sister in Phoenix. So that was nice. He asked if he could get some pictures of the dogs, which he did, which is they posed for him. So now we're keeping on going. We've only ridden about 6 miles, and I'd like to get up to where we can do more than that, which I know probably won't be feasible, you know, as long as we're in the hilly country and along the coast where there's a lot of the climbs and windy roads. But I'm going to try to start doing more miles per day. We're still on Highway 1, which, you know, the shoulders come and go. There's kind of no consistency to, you never know what you're going to get. So that slows things down whenever I have to pull over and let traffic pass me. And there seems to be a little bit more traffic today. Today's Wednesday than last few days on this road. But a lot of friendly people, a lot of curious people, which is fun to talk to. And we're just gonna keep on going.